Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find login devices on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this window or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say, then you just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to settings window here and you just click here on account security. Then you come to account security window here and you just click here on login devices. When you click here, it's going to take you to login devices window, so you will find all devices connect with your account. So if I click here, it's my details it's going to show. So I don't want this. So if you just want to this window, you just click here and it's going to give you all details about devices connect with your account. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.